Right, so next job is going to be another video now. I've obviously got to strip both the front and rear subframes down. I've got to take out the hydrolastic suspension cones, or whatever they're called, and get them sent off. And then once they're stripped down, I've got to tidy everything up, because the place at the moment is a bit of a mess. I'll just show you around. So obviously strip these down. I haven't got enough space. So this is my garage currently. I've got engine, strip off parts of it, repaint the engine black. The gearbox, as far as I'm told, and I would like a confirmation on this, should be bare alloy. Yeah, so the garage is a bit of a mess. I've got to sort everything out. A lot of the stuff, like the petrol tanks, straps, a few other bits and pieces, got to be sent off to be powder coated with the subframes. So yeah, I've just got stuff everywhere at the moment. And embarrassingly, this is my tool store. With way too much stuff in here. This is what I have to live like compared to Keith's supremely clean garage. I just don't have space for everything at the moment. Too many cars. Right, today I'm going to strip both the subframes, and then once I've done that, I'll cut it out, and then I'm going to do a quick small video to show how the hydrolastic things come out of the subframe. I have done a trial run, so I don't look like an idiot, but when I looked on YouTube for a video to see how I took it out, I just couldn't find one, so I just thought it might be interesting to just do a quick video of how to take it out. I haven't done a trial run on the rear subframe yet, but yeah, so I'm just gonna strip all the subframes down, and then I'll do a little video on how to remove the hydrolastic things. Okay. Right, this is a short video of how to remove the hydrolastic parts from front subframe. I'm going to do just show you once I've done this one the rear subframe as well. As I've said before, I tried searching on YouTube to see whether there was anything on there to show me how to take the units out, but I couldn't find anything. So it may be of interest to someone if it's on YouTube, a newbie like me. So hopefully it's helpful, and yeah, so here we go. Right, so obviously it's a lot easier, going to be a lot easier to do with all the suspension taken apart, all the hubs and stuff off. Obviously I'm stripping this subframe right down, and so the unit's going to be sent off for reconditioning, and the subframe's going to be sent off anyway. So first thing is obviously to take out the top arm. Just give that a tap out. Remove the pin. Then obviously need to disconnect the ball joint. Like so, and then take the top arm out, put the pin back in for now. So these will be sent off to be refurbed as well. And then so inside the subframe, let's put that like that. So inside here there is a little bracket that the unit sits on, and then there are two screws here, so you need to undo them. Try not to lose the screws. And then the bracket should just release out. So there's the bracket. And then the unit should just pop out. Now the other one didn't come out so easy, but literally just then comes out. Now, on the actual top of these, there's 4 lugs, so you have to twist the unit round, because there's 4 locating slots in the top of the subframe. That's why I think I struggled last time, because I didn't know they were there. So these 4 lugs twist in and locate into the slots inside. And then so you can see that's where the bracket mounts on, and then you can see up there's some little slots on the 4 sides that they twist into. So that is how they remove. Pretty simple once you know how. And then on the rear subframe, you've got this connection that bolts through the subframe like that. It is best, as I found out, to take this hose off first. The right size spanner. That's a 19mm. Sold up my leg at the moment. The nut that holds this on is a 21mm. Obviously that's a spark plug spanner socket. Keep them safekeeping. I'll get them cleaned up, maybe sprayed. And then same with the front subframe. They just twist out. So a bit of a tap just to loosen. And then twist. And there you go. I'm sure that does come off. So I've got a tear in the rubbers in this, and the actual I don't know what that's called, I forget what that's called. That is actually rusted onto the end of the connection inside there, so I'll have to try and get that off without damaging this too much. But these are going to get sent off, so yeah, that's how they come out. Hope that's helpful. Just going to get the rest of the subframe stripped off, buffers and so on. Rebound buffers. One's got the rubber on, which is almost perished. The other one's got no rubber, so I'll have to try and find them. Yeah, not seen them before. But subframes in actually really good condition. A few rust bits here and there, but no holes. Doesn't seem to be weakened anywhere. So I'll get that dipped and powder coated. Well, that was fun. So the bearing was stuck in there. The inner part of the bearing was completely stuck on that shaft. So I literally had to cut it off. Unbelievable.